Hello everyone, my name is Ayoub Khouyi and I am an additive manufacturing engineer for iMakr. And in this video we are standing at Zortrax booth here at Formnext in Frankfurt. And I have with me here today Paul.
Hi, I'm Paul Resmer from the Zortrax company, responsible for the resin technology, mainly the developing new resins and working on the new machine connected with the resin technology.
Amazing, great. Thank you very much for having us here with you today in your stand. So as you all can see, we have the Inkspire 2 with us here today. So what can you tell us about this printer? What's new about it? What's unique about it?
Yeah, the most interesting feature about the printer is we developed it to be the most automotive products of our line. We invented the special peristatic pump which let us to leave the printer even up to 3 days. We also invented the wiper which help us to
The wiper mechanism.
with the high viscosity resins we need to wipe it. Also we invented the bottle holder connected with the weight sensor, so we are able to check if the bottle is running out of the resin. And also it is highly connected with the sensor inside the vat which tell us how many resin there is left in the vat. After this information that resin is running out, the pump is starting to pump it in. After the process, you can also pump it out, so you don't have to have a contact directly with the resin, which may be harmful. Also, the mounting of the platform becomes much more easier than previous version.
Yeah, you can see that for sure.
Yes, we use the popular mounting from the bicycle seat, and you just need to take it out. Yeah. The calibration is much more easier since this mechanism we just do it once when we get the machine and we don't need to repeat it every of the prints. So.
Amazing. So for the build platform, it can rotate up to which degree?
Yeah.
Like the maximum degree that it can rotate to?
Yeah, even after to 90 degrees.
90 degrees?
Yeah.
So how this will be beneficial? How can the user benefit from it?
Yeah, the resin safe because after the print you can just hold the platform up and the resin will keep on dripping to the vat, so you won't waste any of the resin.
For sure, that's amazing. That's amazing. So basically, we have a wiper, we have also a resin level sensor, we have a resin pump, and we have the bottle resin sensor.
Yes,
exactly.
Weight sensor,
so
yeah.
Weight sensor. So all of this is automated.
Yes, it's all
everything
automated.
is automated.
Yes,
and it's synchronized with the printer, so that you save the resin and you can print. For example, what happens in many times, you have long print.
Yes.
And sometimes you have to add the resin yourself.
Yeah.
In this case, you don't.
You don't. You can leave the printer up to 3 days.
Up to 3 days.
Printing. Yeah.
Amazing. That's great.
Yeah.
So I can also see some fans here actually.
Yeah.
So they purify the resin inside. So what's the how can they be beneficial?
Yeah, we wanted to make our printer as safe as is it possible. So we just put double filter system, which means we got one HEPA filter and one carbon filter for another time of filtration. So the user may not experience some bad smell or some harmful.
The smell can be really strong of the resin sometimes, for sure. All right. So the name is the Zortrax Powerful Trio.
Yes.
We saw only one. So where is the second and third one?
Let me show you the resin. Next one device I want to introduce is our cleaning station.
The cleaning station.
The most interesting feature in this one is a newly invented filtering system, which let us to keep isopropanol much more longer time. So once we pour the isopropanol into the bracket, it comes by the pipes to the filters, leave all of the residues of uncured resin in the filters, and comes back to the bracket, but without any residues, so we can use it again. We don't need to pour it away. We just use the same amount of the isopropanol, and it really helps to save the cost and also save the environment. Because
for sure, it's eco-friendly.
Yes, because the isopropanol is so bad for the environment, especially when it's connected with the resin residues.
So what's the difference between these two filters?
Yeah.
I can see one black, one white.
Yeah, the first one is a cloth type filter. It just filters the liquid by itself, the isopropanol. And this one is an aluminum net which let the uncured residues leave it on this net, and that's it.
Amazing, great. That's really good.
Yeah.
So I can also see that the build platform can be put directly inside the cleaning station and be mounted there. So how does it work? Is it compatible with it?
Yes, since we listen to the community, some of the customers used to make little large prints and don't want to peel it off before they clean it up. So we had to invent a specially mechanism that let us mount the platform directly on the cleaning station. It helps at the really big volume prints, which will be hard to peel it off before it gets cleaned. But also you can use the casual bracket and that's not a problem.
Great, amazing.
The mechanism looks the same as a printer. It's still the bicycle seat mechanism. It's easy to assemble it.
The intelligent hinge is also compatible here with the cleaning station. That's great. That's great.
So,
then when you wash it, we need to cure it.
Yeah, we need to cure it to achieve the properly mechanical properties. Let me show you it. Inside we got the 3 lines of the LED upside down, which let us to keep the same amount of light value for the whole of the model, because some of the models tend to be not the regular shape and it was problematic to cure them from the one side. So we decided to make the 3 lines of the LEDs and also one upside down to keep the same value of the power for all of the build plate. Also the mirror look like walls.
Yes.
We prevent them for light reflections and even the light loss. Also, these plates prevent the UV light distribution outside the print. It was really necessary because we had to meet some safety requirements from it and eliminate every distribution light outside, because as you know, the UV light is really harmful for the human eye.
Definitely, amazing. As for the slicing software that you use basically for the Inkspire 2, so I've heard that it's the Z suite, yeah?
Yes.
So what's new about it? Is there any compatibility with some other resins?
Yes, we get in a cooperative with our 2 partners, Loctite Henkel and BSF. Because
as we can see here, these 2.
Yeah.
All right. Which are the world leading resin manufacturers.
Exactly.
Yeah, for sure. Everyone knows them for sure.
Yeah. We had to move further since people need much more stiffer, tougher resins, much more temperature resistance, and basic resins available on market couldn't afford like this. So we get in cooperative with the Loctite and BSF. And by that we validate all of the resins. We had to meet the mechanical properties to get the validation, and when it's done, we can sell it, use it, and even promote it on our website. We get also all of the parameters in our software, so client doesn't have to set up anything before he wants to print with it. He just chooses the proper material and can start his journey. So, yeah.
Interesting. That's really amazing. So the powerful trio is available in the market today.
Yes.
Amazing, great. So the last point, can you tell us more about the price point of the Powerful Trio or the Inkspire 2, like as a printer?
Yeah, you mean the price, so... Yeah, basically we can sell the whole bundle. The bundle contains the printer, the cleaning station and the curing station. But we understand that some of the customers need just the one of it, the printer,
or one of it,
just
curing.
Yes. So the price for the printer is 3,690 euros. For this one, 3,200 euros. And this one price is similar to the printer, since it's this LED UV LEDs cost it much, so it's like 3,500 euros. When you buy bundle, it will cost about 11,000 euros. It's a catalog price, of course. If you speak with someone from the sales team, I'm sure they can prepare some offer. Yeah,
sure, definitely. Amazing. Thank you very much for this interview. Thank you very much for having us. That was really, really amazing and great. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Cheers.